Hi friends, I am back with a Target Dollar Spot DIY, and then there is also a Dollar Tree DIY in here. I wanted to show you what I was able to come up on that Dollar Spot. Usually this season I'm actually out in Washington enjoying the array of colors out there, and what I find is that they're constantly stocked out there, and I just mail myself the pieces that I like. But this year I went on a hunt here in California and I hunted down dollar spots everywhere and tried to really just come up on anything I could with this season. I think the bad part here in California is that we're vultures and we go for it all. So that's just straight truth. I am one of those vultures. However, I want to show you how to create these pillows using bar towels from the dollar spot. And the difference between my pillows and other pillows that I've seen on YouTube are that mine are reusable. I'm going to take full on credit for that. Please, if you create these, please, or if you're inspired, please give the credit where it's due. I'm getting a little upset that some people are thinking other people have come up with ideas when it's your own, and I don't know, it's kind of mean. It's just really mean when they forget to say who inspired them and why they created it in the first place. I think that we need to really be behind each other in that sense. And yeah, so that's just, I kind of wanted to vent there for a little bit. Sometimes these users are established, so I don't think it's fair when somebody takes their idea that is established and then gets all the credit for it. I think it's very hurtful. So as you can see through the video, I'm showing you exactly step by step how to create this piece. And what you want to make sure that you do is inside out. You're going to lay those pieces inside out with each other and then turn it around, and then you get this perfect pillowcase. And so what I did was, I want to make sure that you see this because we want that flap to be available so that it's reusable. Should you consider just making this a pillow that you don't want to reuse, just glue it all then and leave one corner open that you're able to slip the stuffing in. But because I have these pillows on hand and because I like to buy pillowcases that go with the season, I decided to add velcro and make them reusable. So the velcro purchased, I purchased it from the Dollar Tree, and you're going to see right now in a little bit. This is the velcro, and I also purchased the little round circle ones as well. And then what I did was I made sure that that flap was going to close exactly how I wanted it, and I want to make sure that you do know to iron these pieces out just so you get it kind of like perfectly when it closes where it's going to go. See right there how I did that? So all I'm going to do is add the velcro, and I'm going to glue it with the glue gun, add it to the flap, the opposite part, and then it's going to secure really nicely for me, and that is absolutely what I want. It is super strong, guys. It doesn't come off. It's absolutely perfect. So then they also had this style as well, and it's $3 for 2 bar towels. And then I loved the style on the back of this one because it had the stripes and it was just super cute. So same thing, it's the same exact thing. It's lining them up upside down towards each other, turning it inside out, except this one I had the little small velcro dots, and I just wanted to see how that worked for me. It still worked great, guys. It secures very nicely, and all I did again was practicing. Without gluing, I attached them first to see if they go nicely in place, and then take each piece one by one and glued them. And I was able to get a really nice, cute pillowcase. So I always see these videos of the creating pillows out of kitchen towels. These were at the Dollar Tree, and again I kept it folded, did not cut it, and just glued all around the edges, except this one I didn't turn inside out. And then I took it and then I created another one where I did turn it inside out to see the difference. And so what it is the difference is they kind of stay square when you don't. Like this right here, this is not inside out. See the edges there? And that's a pillow I bought last year, was perfect size for that. But I ended up using stuffing because this one I was gluing all around. So this is with edges out, or I'm sorry, the video previously was edges out and this is inside out. See the difference? I like the inside out better. And there you go, decorative pillows. So Target had just some really great kitchen towels, and I fell in love with the pillows I created. This DIY, this is my favorite pillow. Same thing, guys, you cut it right at the center. You're going to be able to make 2 pillows, and you're going to use stuffing for this one, should you like. Again, it's preference. If you have a pillow that's going to fit this, make it into that flap that I was showing you, and you can make it reusable. And so I went ahead and cut it, and then so Joann's had a sale on the stuffing and ended up getting a big bag for, I think it was $6.99. So it was perfect because with this big bag I get to create several pillows. But this is my favorite pillow out of all. So it's all about lining up the edges, making sure that they're lined, and giving it enough room that you're adding enough glue where it's not going to come apart. You know what I also did was I took an iron over this one, and just to make sure that the glue is melted and secured, I did take an iron and I went over it. And then again, it's just lining it all, making sure you have it all lined up together, which is pretty easy. It didn't fray too much. I really liked that. And then these are the pieces I was able to create. I hope that this is enough in-depth tutorial for you to see exactly how to create. If not, let me know in the comments below and I will try my best to do one more video where I can show you exactly step by step. But I think this is pretty good, guys. So this is another set of towels that I was able to come up on in the dollar spot, and I really liked the edge of this towel, but there was no way to create this piece with that sticking out because of how I use it inside out. So what I did was I trimmed that edge off and then glued the pillowcase together. And what I did was I glued the edge to the bottom of the pillow, and you could not tell that it did not belong to this pillow. It was absolutely perfect. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial. It's a different take on the kitchen towel pillow, and I hope that you're able to make your own and decorate your house. I love decorative pillows. It's what creates the atmosphere in your home and kind of gives the look of the season, and I just loved the way that they turned out. So thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for all the new subscribers. Thank you. I have so many more videos I'm working on to upload. Some fun ones that are super easy for the season. And again, if you have not liked this video, please go ahead and do so now. And if you have not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a great week. Bye.